Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shayde, Kayla, whatever you want to call me. This week I'm gonna show you what's life like in a vocational online school. It's approximately about 12:32. The time the class starts at 1. So I'm gonna bathe, put on some decent clothes, and continue sitting on my bed. Okay, the host still haven't let us into the class. Just a little update. I was wrong. Class already started. I just clicked on the wrong link. Yeah, everybody else was in class and I just joined. It's a good thing that the teachers usually wait a little, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, so other students, dumb students like me, can join. I'm still gonna be it though. I'm gonna type AFK in the chat so she can know that I'm here, but I'm not here.
Ow! Jump scare.
I still need to learn while I'm gonna bathe, so I'm gonna connect my laptop to this boombox. That's called smart learning, people. Right? Take notes.
Then you start to do your research. I don't have to fear
and I'm back.
of
Fully
it
bathed.
to fail.
We're talking about failure in business, obstacles to creativity. And I was scared when I first started this YouTube channel. I was really scared because, you know, I don't have much friends, I don't have much followers, so getting subscribers would be hard. And I wasn't really active on social media either, so it was a scary time, still a scary time, because I'm not sure where I want this channel to go. I have no real plans. I just want to share my life with you, to keep my family updated on what's going on when they can't see me, stuff like that. So, but you know, I'm gonna keep doing it regardless. If you stop because of fear, you'll never get anywhere. Whoa, wise words.
And it's no.
Too much chewing.
So you don't have to fear failure.
My jaw tired. For some reason, the apple sizes that my godfather brought are humongous. So I cut them up in small pieces, of course, but this is one apple size. It's basically the size of my face. Just wanted to share that with you guys.
Group 1, you can go ahead now and do your presentation.
I'm group 1. Mic is gonna be turned on. My dad's home, so.
If you break it, don't use it.
Oh no, my table is broken.
Is the table broken?
Lord Jesus, my pipe leak. I said wrong something.
The table and the pipe leak.
But the girl pick up quick because she said what me did for say.
If you break it, don't use it.
Very good job. Very good job. Thank you guys so much. Now group 2.
With that, I'll
Take it
see you in
away.
tomorrow's class. Whee! Hey guys, so today is Tuesday and it's 5.
Is it raining where you guys are?
Lady, shut up. It's 5 o'clock and I have class until 9
No,
p.m.
Yes, miss. Oh. Just like it.
She's starting off with the quiz, but joke's on her because I can probably answer the quiz even though I didn't come to class last week, Tuesday, because I was, you know, acting like a fool at my aunt's surprise birthday party.
Give me a second again.
It was an awesome day. It was a very awesome day, really. Oh, my head hurts. So today I made apple smoothie. I don't like the taste of it, so it's just in the fridge sitting there. Just so y'all know, I only have one book for every single subject. Wow. It's not that I don't have more books, it's just that I prefer to keep all my notes in one place because I don't take much notes. I rely purely on my brain to pass every subject. After this quiz, I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. I tend to focus more in the classes that I know I'll fail, like math and structural mechanics, stuff that aren't English related. Is the relation a function? Why? Yes, because you mean my mortgage book battle? Let's just click one. I doubt that's right. I clicked yes. That wasn't enough. I'm still doing it though. Can I do it though?
Let's see.
Incorrect. Oh my god. The exfoliate 11 has 2 words.
I would I hear music. Where the music gone? Did I have music?
I don't want the music, lady. Shut up and move to the next question. Why is she doing this? Lady? Just move to the next question. Stop trying to explain stuff. We saw it incorrect. Did I mention that I hate math? It's not a function or it's a function. It's a function. Duh.
I'm smart.
For the function 0, 1, 1, 1, right, the domain and range.
I'm going to extend the time for this one, okay? Good.
Yes, please do. D is the answer. I'm not dumb. The dominion is the I don't know. I just pressed on because it looked right.
So here we go. Let's see who got
It's incorrect. I could have sworn I was gonna be right.
Alright.
The function, right, the domain and the range. Okay, the domain is on the left and the range is on the right. I don't know. The funniest part about this is when you look at the top of the page, you see it and say, oh,
alright, time is
first. I got that correct.
It's another question similar to before.
Is this mapping a function or not a function? It is a function. Many to one. Wasn't this the question I got wrong before? And I still put function. Not the best idea. I'll come second, so that was wrong. Oh my god. This math stuff is really bursting my brain. I guess I'm not meant for the nerd
10 seconds to go.
Is this set of arbitrary a function or not a function? I got it right.
Alright.
I'd be rocking these things. I'm still in second for someone who hasn't come to the class. What y'all will come to class doing?
Alright. Watch now.
Incorrect. When I realized to me, I was the first one to answer my answer with confidence.
Too quickly.
But yeah, I'm first place now. I'm awesome, you know that? Because of them talking, it seemed like it never got in.
Right.
How about me alone get fed up with it, but everybody else seems to be enjoying it. I don't know. Maybe it's because I just don't like maths.
With any comment?
With all my guessing and all, I'm very smart. It still goes to show people that even if you miss class, have enough brain to afford to miss class.
Place is Shayde.
And you hear that first place, Shayde? Adios.
Really disconnect.
So I'll see you guys. I'm unstoppable. I'm all the way in it. Blah 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 blah.